If you live in a dense, gray American city, the appeal of a tropical escape is obvious. You trade the concrete and the rain for warm sand and clear blue water. But getting to the Philippines requires flying halfway across the planet.
You are dealing with a 15-hour time difference, completely unfamiliar local infrastructure, and a set of customs rules that catch hundreds of travelers off guard every single day.
The logistics of a trip this massive can easily turn an exciting vacation into an overwhelming ordeal.
We are going to eliminate that friction completely by following a strict 4-step preparation checklist.
By knocking out these 4 specific steps, you guarantee a smooth entry immigration, instant access to money and transportation.
Step 1 starts right here, before you ever leave U.S. soil. First, check your passport expiration date.
The Philippines enforces a strict rule requiring 6 months of validity remaining on your passport from the day you arrive.
If you have 5 months and 29 days, they will not let you board the plane. You have to prove you are actually going to leave the country.
Immigration officials require an onward ticket, a confirmed flight departing the Philippines within your initial 30-day visa window.
Without this, your airline will deny you boarding at the gate.
If you plan to extend your stay and don't know exactly when you'll fly out, you can legally satisfy this requirement online.
Services like onward-ticket.com allow you to rent a legitimate, verifiable flight reservation for about $18.
While you still have a U.S. cellular connection, download the ride-sharing app Grab. It is the Southeast Asian equivalent of Uber.
Set up your account and attach your primary credit card now.
Trying to register and authenticate via SMS while standing at a chaotic airport curb in Manila without local data is an exercise in frustration.
Finally, complete your e-travel registration online within 72 hours of your departure.
This replaces the old paper arrival cards and generates a mandatory QR code that you must present before you can even leave the gate.
Get these 3 items handled before you fly, and your arrival in the Philippines will be completely seamless. Now that you have cleared U.S. departure preparations, Step 2 happens the moment you step off the plane.
Landing at Manila or Cebu introduces a completely new set of challenges regarding connectivity and cash.
Your first immediate priority upon landing is getting a local cellular data connection.
Skip the expensive global roaming packages offered by your U.S. carrier.
Instead, head straight to the Globe or Smart kiosks located right inside the arrival terminal. Pick up a local tourist SIM card and take care of your initial mobile data needs on the spot. Next, you will need to secure local currency for your immediate transit needs.
While credit cards are widely accepted in major malls and hotels, cash remains king for everyday transactions across the islands.
Use the airport ATMs to withdraw Philippine pesos, but be mindful of standard transaction fees.
With your connectivity and currency sorted, you are ready to navigate local transportation.
Open your Grab app and request a ride from the designated pickup zone to avoid street-level scams. For shorter hops around town, you can experience the iconic local jeepneys.
Once you settle into your initial destination, you can begin exploring the thousands of surrounding islands.
Take your time, enjoy the incredible biodiversity, and embrace the relaxed pace of island life.
With your preparation complete and your journey underway, you are ready to make the most of your Philippine adventure.
Thank you for joining this guide on navigating your journey to the Philippines.